Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying this ramen right here. And then I'm showing the back. And waiting for the water to boil. And the noodles have a little bit of an orange tint to them. And here's me putting in the seasoning. And kind of mixing in the seasoning because I didn't have a fork at that time. Here's our fork, and our camera's gonna fog up, but that's okay. As you can see, the noodles are boiling inside the water. And here are the noodles all done. The instructions did say to drain the water, so that is what I did. And here we are trying it, and this is the flavor of the noodles. And here we are trying it. Trying to get like a little bit less than what we had before. These noodles are really good. They weren't really spicy. They were more sweet and spicy. But they still overall weren't really spicy. Overall, I give them a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. And I found these at Walmart.